Hello, welcome to our Key Stage 1 music assembly. I'm listening to our piece of morning music for this week, the Prelude to the First Cello Suite by Johann Sebastian Bach. Bach was a really wonderful composer. Many musicians think he was the greatest composer that has ever lived. He was writing music at a time when music had lots of rules. And lots of people found that made it harder to write something really wonderful. They felt restricted by it. They felt trapped by it. But Bach, he felt set free by it. This is just one note moving about. Let me show you. This is a picture of Yo-Yo Ma, the man who's playing this instrument, the cello. He pulls his bow back and forth across the cello. There are the strings. They're attached right at the top and right at the bottom. He changes the length of them by pressing his fingers down. When he presses the finger down, the string becomes shorter. When he takes his finger away, it becomes longer. The closer he gets to this part, the higher the note gets, because the shorter the string gets. It's always the same length at this end, but this end he can move his fingers to make the strings shorter and shorter, or longer and longer, making the notes higher and higher, or lower and lower, until sometimes he can even take his finger off and the string is its whole length. Can you see how this looks a bit like a violin? Some of you in Key Stage 1, we were pretending to play some violins like this. But the cello, you're playing like this. It sits in front of you. Can you see? That's why he's sitting down. He needs to sit down and then lean the cello up against himself. Play it like this. Just one note. Just at the end there, the very last note, 2 notes. The rest of it, just one note. Now, here's what I would like you to do. We always draw when we're listening to our morning music for these music assemblies, but I want you to try something a little bit different. I want you to take your piece of paper and choose your pencil or your colouring pencil, doesn't matter. And once you've put your pencil down on the paper, you're not allowed to take it off again. You have to move your pencil around. If you want to get somewhere else, you're going to have to draw across. You might want to draw shapes that make you feel like the piece of music. You might want to try and draw a picture, but I warn you, it's tricky because you can't take your pencil off the paper. Can't take it off. You've got to keep it on the whole time, drawing your picture. This music might make you think of great strong lines moving about. It might make you think of swirly lines. Can't be dots. Why can't it be dots? Think about it. How do you make a dot? That's no good because I can't take the pencil off the paper. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this beautiful piece of music played by the wonderful cellist, Yo-Yo Ma. He is a very, very famous cellist. Cellist is the word for someone who plays the cello. I bet you worked that out already. Enjoy.